Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Kumar. Today the topic is coronavirus. Yes, many of you requested many times through comment, through mail, sir, please make a video on the topic coronavirus. So I have made a composition here where a lady who is holding a glass container. Well, after making the drawing, I am using here the camel watercolor and I am following the transparent watercolor technique. So at first I have used the fast tone on the skin, hair, and now on the dress. On skin I have used little gamboge yellow and little vermilion red on the skin, and on hair I have used little crimson red, burnt sienna and little cobalt blue. After getting dried the first tone, I am using the second tone now, which should be little darker than the first tone. I'm focusing on the eyes now. In the second tone I'm using little vermilion red, little gamboge yellow and little burnt sienna. Here on the throat I have used little burnt sienna, vermilion red and little cobalt blue, and even the same technique on the eyebrow. Now on eyes I will not recommend anyone to use black color directly. Rather than you may use little burnt sienna, vermilion red and little cobalt blue. I'm trying to create a dimension near the eyes. Now I am applying the second tone on the cheek and the hair. Make sure your brushes would not be dried. You must use much water and very little color. The lady is wearing the mask and I'm trying to color on the mask. At first I am applying the fast tone using little lemon yellow, sap green and little cobalt blue. And after getting the fast tone dried, I'm using the second tone, little darker tone than the first tone. Never try to rub your brush on the paper. Now the third tone I am using. If you are new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because I always create such kind of painting tutorial. Now I'm applying color on the dress of the lady. Already I applied the first tone, now I am applying the second tone, and in second tone I am using little burnt sienna and just little cobalt blue. Now I am going to color on the background, and before coloring I have used drops of water to make the background wet. Now I am applying vermilion red, little burnt sienna, and at few areas I am using little gamboge yellow also. At the left hand side I have used little cobalt blue and burnt sienna and little crimson red. Now I am applying the first tone on the hand. This hand is much sensitive. Never try to increase the contrast at a time in your painting. In that case your painting would be stiff. Try to increase the contrast layer by layer. In the darker tones I have used burnt sienna, little cobalt blue, and even just a bit of crimson red. if you are really interested in learning painting techniques, then please don't skip the video. Always try to watch any tutorial video right from beginning to the end. Now I'm trying to increase the contrast under the fingers and between the fingers. I'm not trying to show in much details. Friends, in order to learn the watercolor technique, you may watch our other videos which will be available in gallery. Here I am using little vermilion red and little crimson red. At the darker areas I am using little burn sign also. Now on the virus I am using gamboge yellow, which is known as also chrome yellow. The first one I will try to show in little details, and rest of the viruses I will try to blend them. Now I am increasing the contrast on the background, because your painting really depends upon the background. If your background is nice, then your painting will look nice. So you can see here, after increasing the contrast on the background, the painting looks more prominent than earlier. I must tell, on the background I didn't use black color. As I told you earlier, don't try to use the black color directly. Friends, if you really like the video, please don't forget to press the like button and comment below and share the video with your loved ones and your friends. I'm writing here coronavirus vaccine. If you have any queries, please feel free to write in the comment